everyone, Lalalu here. Rumi Jinu and their kids have officially gone over to the dark side. Yep, even the baby. I'm creating the coolest demon-inspired idol looks for the whole family. I'm starting with Rumi.
She doesn't even look like a demon at all. 1 out of 10.
Fair enough, we're not quite there yet. First, off comes the old outfit. Perfect. Now I can completely transform her look. For the jacket, I'm choosing a shiny silver fabric. Trace the shape directly onto the fabric and carefully cut along the outline. Now I have 2 matching pieces. I'm joining them together with hot glue. The silver jacket is ready. Slip it on and glue the side together right on the doll. Next, I'm making a pattern for the pants. Using it, I cut the pieces from purple sequin fabric. Fold them right sides together and hand sew the seams. These pants fit the new style perfectly. Next up is a wide black belt. Black strips add some detail to the top, and epaulettes go on the shoulders. I picked out a matching necklace and finished the outfit with silver chains. So, does Rumi finally look enough like a demon idol?
Better. 5 out of 10.
Looks like I forgot one major detail for the full match. First, I'm measuring Rumi's height, then cutting a rectangle to the right length. To keep Rumi's signature colors in the outfit, I'm adding a layer of purple tulle. Sew the layers together and gather the fabric slightly. And there we go, a dramatic layered cape.
Nice!
She needs a hat.
I'll make one from glitter foam. Place the cap on the sheet and trace around it. I'm using a roll of tape to make a larger circle for the brim. Cut the outer edge with scissors and the inner one with a craft knife. Add glue to the cap and attach the brim. The hat base is ready. A strip of sequins makes the perfect decoration. Mr. Demon, what do you think? Excellent, 10 out of 10. I love Rumi's new dark look. The sparkly pants, tall hat, and mysterious cape work so well together. I think the whole outfit turned out seriously dramatic. Jinu is next. Right now, he looks way too sweet. I want to give him some serious demon idol style. So where should I start? Old outfit off. I'm making his skin purple to boost that demon vibe. Carefully cover the doll's entire face and body with acrylic paint, filling in any spots I missed. Once the paint is dry, it's time to work on the face. I'm using clear sealant spray to prep the surface. A light coat should do it. Next, I'll need some pastel. I'm taking purple and scraping off a little with the tip of a knife. Mix it with white to get the shade I want. The goal is to brighten Jinu's face just a bit. I'm dusting it on with a fluffy brush. Now for the eyes, with bright amber irises, plus thick black eyebrows. He already looks so much more like Jinu.
I like it!
Using clear nail polish, I paint on thin, lightning bolt details. Next comes red pearl rubbing powder. I apply it over the designs with my fingertip. Wow, that looks so cool! Black hot glue creates long nails. Yep, already know how to make it. I trace around the doll right on the back of my sketch. Now I have patterns for the jacket and pants. This fabric has a great shine, but I actually need the reverse side. Place the patterns on top and cut out the pieces. I'm sewing these on the machine. So in goes the black thread. The main thing is putting everything together in the right order. Stitch the seams from the wrong side of the fabric. Jinu can't wait to try on his new outfit. The pants are perfect. And I got the jacket size right too. All that's missing is a long black cape.
Yes.
Whoop! Already done. I'm decorating it with silver chains and adding some sparkle to the cuffs. One tall black hat later, and Jinu's look is complete. Wow, now that is a demon vibe. He looks stylish and just a little mysterious. I'm starting the little one's makeover with a mini spa session. Oops, looks like somebody managed to get seriously messy. Pouring in some warm water and adding a little foam. Grab a sponge, and it's officially bath time. That hair definitely needs a good wash too. Much better. Now our squeaky clean doll gets wrapped up in a soft towel. I'll start the makeover with her hair. What color should I choose? Purple, of course. Next, I'm making a purple diaper. Trace the shape onto a piece of foam sheet and test the fit on the doll. Carefully secure the edges with hot glue. I'm adding black and purple rhinestones for extra detail. Next comes a soft double-layer velvet blanket, tied with sparkly trim. An idol-style chain. Okay, now there's absolutely no question which family she belongs to. Moving on to the middle sister. Off comes her Huntrix concert outfit. Today, we're going for a darker vibe. I'm pulling out my box of materials and choosing a silver metallic fabric. Wrap it around the doll. The base of the jumpsuit is ready. I sew it together at the back right on the doll. Now for the decorations. Black details go onto the outfit, followed by sparkly strips. That contrast is exactly what I wanted. Next, I'm adding the cape. The next step is makeup. I lightly brush some color over the doll's face. Now her idol look is almost complete. One last detail, the hat. Whoops! It's actually pretty close, but I want a wider brim. I seal the opening at the top, then repaint the base black. The brim is cut from glitter foam. All that's left is a strip of purple rhinestones around the hat. Mini Roomie is officially ready. One makeover left, Mini Jinu. Let's find the right doll. Perfect! That hairstyle definitely needs some work, but I can fix it. What? No? Fine, we'll skip that part. Black paint to the rescue. I'm repainting the hair. Then adding bright amber eyes. A lilac shade gives his lips a little color. Now for the lightning bolts. I'm painting them on with purple nail polish. This outfit is definitely not giving idol. Off comes the shirt. I'll use it as a pattern and trace it onto a piece of purple fabric. Cut along the outline. Hand sew the pieces. Turn it right side out. And it's ready to try on. The new top looks awesome. I'm decorating it with strips of silver rhinestones. And here comes the long black cape. I want a little more sparkle. So I cut a design from shiny fabric and add it along the bottom edges. Metallic spikes go on the shoulders. I love how this turned out. The only thing missing is a hat. I have a whole pile of air-dry clay, and purple is definitely the one. Pinch off a piece, roll it into a ball, then flatten it with a rolling pin. Now I have two pieces. Using a small cutter, I make an opening in the circle, glue on the crown, and close up the top. The hat is ready for a fitting. I'm decorating the edge with sparkly black ribbon. The shoes get repainted purple with the same nail polish, plus a black accent on the soles. Such a little idol. Time to bring the whole family together. All four looks turned out bold, and they work so well as a set. Dark Roomie might be my favorite, and Jinu looks like a full-on demon king now. Even the baby has her own tiny idol look. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!